Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen and today I've got another yummy healthy recipe for you. Well, aloo cutlets to sabne khaye and I don't know a single person who doesn't like fried potatoes or fried cutlets. But today I'm making a healthy version with jowar cutlets. तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं. So first of all I'm going to start with this boiled potatoes. I'm going to mash it. You can use a fork, you can use your beautiful hands. And you just need to mash. You can, you can even grate it. It'll give a finer texture. And to this, we'll keep adding rest of the ingredients. So here, okay, look at that. So I mashed the potatoes, that's perfect and the easiest job. But this I want to tell you is jowar pearls. I love it. So what I did is I soaked it overnight and then I boiled it with very little water under pressure in a pressure cooker and it's become like this. And what I did for this cutlet is I have ground it into a coarse paste. Look at that. So it doesn't have water, we don't need moisture at all because that is going to spoil the consistency of our cutlet. We just want it like this, like coarse and dried, okay. Now we are going to add these coarsely ground jowar into the potatoes, the mashed potatoes. Along with this, I'm going to add a little salt to taste. I have green chilies finely chopped. I like a little spice in this. Onions finely chopped. Here we are. I'm going to add some methi, fresh fenugreek leaves. Look at that. I'm just going to take the leaves and I'm going to chop it inside. Here we are. It'll give a nice flavor, and nice, the methi flavor is a little bitter, but it's really fragrant. Of course, it's really healthy, loaded with iron. So we have, along with jowar, the goodness of jowar, which is, it's loaded with magnesium, it's loaded with iron, it's high in fiber. It's really good to lower cholesterol. It's good for people who have diabetes. It controls blood sugar. And it's extremely fibrous, so it only adds to, and people who are looking at losing weight, it's really good for them. If you introduce millets in your diet, that means if you have at least 30% of your diet is with millets, you'll see that there's less inflammation or less bloating and it just makes you feel more active and healthy. So I'm going to mix this very well because we have to form cutlets, and this coarsely ground jowar, it will give a nice texture to the cutlet also. Well, I come from Himachal and I still remember wherever we used to travel to Chandigarh or go to Delhi, we used to, on the way we used to always stop at a hotel and they used to make very good cutlets, and I love cutlets, like whether it's between two slices of bread or whether it's just like that with some ketchup or some spicy sauce, hot sauce, it's my favorite. And as you know, anything fried and potatoes, it definitely is yummy. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of rice flour. So this recipe is completely gluten-free, and along with that, this is my magic spice box where I grind my own spices and keep. And I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala powder, and I'm going to add a little bit of cumin powder. That's it. Mix it again. So for this, I'm using a really thick bottom pan. I'm going to shallow fry these cutlets. Obviously, you can shape it the way you want. And here we are. I'm going to try and see the seasoning as well. I'm going to taste it. Okay, the consistency of the batter looks perfect. So I've heated the pan. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, not too much. It's a non-stick pan. And now I'm going to shape it into however I like. I remember I was telling you, feeling nostalgic that, we used to go whenever I used to travel to Shimla, which I still do. On the way we used to stop at a hotel, they used to fry cutlets, and this is rather the standard shape that they used to serve it in. So I'm going to do the same. Just a small little portion. You can shape it into any way you like. You can shape it. You can make it round, you can make whatever shape you want. But this for me is totally nostalgia. I think जो काफ़ी सारी हमारी recipes होती हैं, we always think या तो मम्मी ने बनाया होता है या दादी के हाथ का होता है. So it's a lot of nostalgia out there. And obviously when I'm creating new recipes, I'm always thinking about how and what I used to be eating. Here we are. The smell of fenugreek seeds is overpowering, and it's really taking over my kitchen. It's smelling so good. I can't wait to eat it. Look at that. Look at this beautiful colors. And that's it. Like, it's done, like in no time. And it's really healthy, even if you have to pack it in tiffin boxes or you want to just enjoy it when your friends come. You can make it into small pops, and fry it. You can deep fry it. You can put it in the air fryer. There's so many variations you can do. And it's a perfect, kitty party snack also. All you need to do is work on the shape and size. And drizzle some fresh coriander. Just break it and add it on top, and ta-da! Your super healthy and delicious jowar cutlets are ready. Do try it and let me know in comments how you enjoyed it or how you liked it.